Hello students, I welcome you all to another class of English. Today I will tell you the summary of the chapter Packing. It is chapter number 7 of the book Beehive. This chapter is taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat written by Jerome K. Jerome. The story is about three friends who are all set for a trip. They are Jerome, who is also the narrator, Harris, and George. Now students, when we go for a trip, we need to pack our bags, isn't it? So the three friends had to start for their trip in less than 12 hours. So they need to start with their packing. The story is all about packing and how did they pack their bags. Jerome, who is also the narrator, is proud of his packing skills as he considers himself to be the best packer in the world. He offers to lead the packing task. That is, he wants to supervise the packing. He finds George and Harris in a relaxed mood, doing no work and not even offering to help. Jerome only wanted to give directions to George and Harris. He is misunderstood by both his other friends. So Jerome starts packing, but he makes a mess of everything. He struggles hard, takes a lot of time, forgets to pack the boots, was doubtful of packing his toothbrush, and even forgets his spectacles. So in reality, he was a bad packer. They had to pack and unpack his bag and again whenever they had a doubt. He spreads everything out in the course of the packing and makes a mess of everything. Jerome completes the packing with great difficulty at 10:05 p.m. George annoys him by asking about the soap, but by that time Jerome was too tired. So George and Harris wanted to help Jerome. So now they offered to help him to pack the hampers. Hampers means an open bag for carrying any eatables. They want to show to Jerome that they are better packers than him. But now it's Jerome's turn to laugh at them. They also spoiled everything. Like they broke a cup, spoils the butter, and smashes a tomato and spoils the pies. This shows that all three of them are very unsystematic and unplanned. You can see the picture carefully. You can see these two friends of Jerome are very relaxed. Have a look at this picture. You can see the mess of the entire room. Jerome is on the butter. The things are lying here and there. The bags are packed, unpacked. So there's a total mess in the room. They had a dog called Montmorency. It was very naughty and mischievous. He starts irritating everyone and spoiled everything. Finally, the packing was completed at 12:50 a.m. That is the next day. So with this, I end the chapter, the summary of the chapter. I hope you have all understood. You can have a look at this picture also. Montmorency, here is the dog, and one of the friends is chasing him because he is spoiling the entire bag. He is throwing out everything out of the bag. So I believe we have all understood the chapter. Go through the summary once over again whenever you feel like. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.